Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to view chat information on Instagram, ensuring you can keep track of your conversations effortlessly. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you haven't done this yet, simply enter your username and password to access your feed. Once you're in the app, look at the top of the page for the messages icon, which resembles a paper airplane. This icon is usually located in the upper right corner of your screen. Tap on it to enter your direct messages section. Now that you're in your messages, it's time to find the chat you want to view. You can scroll through your list of conversations or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate a specific chat. Just type in the name of the person or account you're looking for, and it will filter your messages accordingly. After you've found the chat you want to explore, click on the name of the account at the top of the conversation. This action will take you to a dedicated page for that specific chat, where you can see more details about your interaction with that person. Here, you'll find options to view their profile, send them a message, or even manage settings related to notifications for this chat. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, opening Instagram, tapping on the messages icon, finding your desired chat, and clicking on the account name, you can easily access and manage your chat information on Instagram. Remember, keeping up with your conversations can enhance your social experience on this platform, whether for personal connections or business communications. So, go ahead and make the most out of Instagram's messaging features. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Instagram effectively. Happy chatting!